Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. To install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see App Store right here, and tap on this arrow next to the App Store to open the page, the App Store page. Sometimes it's a bit wonky and I keep tapping on it. Oh, okay, now it opened. And here we have the App Store. You have different categories of apps you can browse through, and you can look for something you want to install. Then once you find the application you want to install, you can tap on it, then tap on install button, and it's gonna start downloading and then installing on your watch. And once it's done installing, it should appear in the app menu on your watch. And here we have it, and we can tap on the icon to open the app. You can of course install multiple applications. So for example, we can also install this one. And if you want to check the list of applications installed on your watch, you can tap on the Mine category right here at the top of the App Store. And here we have the list of apps installed on our watch, AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra. And basically that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.